Good morning, Darius.
Good morning.
So, what are you doing here?
I'm working on some LED lights, testing them out. I just soldered them together, LED lights into cables, just like we've been doing on the pieces of art that we've worked on. And as you can see, it's a successful operation.
Very good, very good. What was the most funniest thing that happened to you here?
Well, the best thing for me here was the fact that we actually managed to work on pieces of art like this, which will be exposed all over the world. And the fact that I was inside them, I was working with the people here on them. And it's beautiful to me that I feel like I've left a little bit of my fingerprint on these pieces that are gonna be all over the world, seen by so many people. I didn't expect to learn so much here in such a short time, but I could, and all that is thanks to Ryan, because he was very patient with us and he helped us, and he didn't get mad when we failed or anything like that.
Very good.
Thanks a lot.
And here, girls, what are you doing here?
We want to put together some lights, and that's it. It's not too difficult.
So you are preparing also LEDs for the arts?
Yeah, something like this.
Are you having fun here?
Yes.
People treat you well?
Yes.
They are nice people?
They're very nice. Very nice.
Very good, very good,
They
very
are
good.
kind people.
Very good, very good. This is the work of arts.
Yeah.
Very big, very big.
Huge. Awesome.
Very good.
They are special. Very special. Thank you, Joanna.
Now slowly. This side for me. That's a little. Don't worry. Yes. Okay.
And that's when you found me. I was waiting in the garden, contemplating, beg your pardon. There's a part of me that recognizes you.
Good morning, Albert.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm working on a project.
And did you develop your skills here?
Yes, a lot.
A lot of new
I've
skills?
done a lot of things in the electromechanical field about the trains. A lot of things about the trains. We learned to clean, repair, and test the equipment. All of it. As you can see, right now I'm working on a project, a keychain with lights, a battery, a switch, cleaning, testing. We had a presentation of the environment, of the protection rules, the security of work. We received equipment like boots, pallets.
What are you thinking about this experience?
I really enjoy it. I am grateful. Us, we are grateful because we had the chance to experience this practical work. I didn't know about training. For me, it's something new, and I really like it every time.
And now is here our tutors. Good morning.
Olá, bom dia, good morning.
So, what are you thinking about the skills and the commitment of the students here in Comboios Portugal?
I think it's an interesting experience for them and for us. For them to do some practice work, okay, and for us to have contact with different students from other realities.
Thank you so much for your support and for your help. Thank you. You continue your work here, Albert?
Yes.
And now, what are you doing?
We have here the final product, what we done in the last 2 days, Monday and today. We clean it, we replace the transformator here, we re-weld everything, took down the old weld and put new one with the iron. We also tested, we connected it to the power supply and also tested with the multimeter.
With the multimeter?
Yes, we tested the intensity of the current. And this is all about this piece. This is from the batteries of the train. It transforms the current, the DC. It's like reducing the voltage or something like that.
Very good.
Not sure.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. Ciao, ciao. Good morning. Hello, girls.
I'm good. My name is Doriana. I have 17 years old and I'm here with my classmates, Andra. Hello. Hello.
What are you doing here?
A program in application of Python. This is a program that counts the number of words, character, and show the most repeated words.
Very good. Can you show us how it works?
Yes.
Very good. And you guys, are you enjoying? Are you developing your skills here?
We really enjoy working here and having that opportunity to gain experience in the fairing country.
And the people here, they are nice to you?
It's too nice and
They are nice?
yes.
And you, Luca? Lucas?
Yes.
What do you say about the girls?
They lived up to the expectation. They were really interesting. They wanted to do this, which is makes me really happy. And they learned something, and I also learned from them. So
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Arrivederci. Ciao.
Recognize with you.
Thank you for Thank you.
When you told me it was serious. Were you serious?
Good morning. So, what are you doing here?
I disassembled the laptops and she placed the components.
And did you develop your skills here in HD Rescue?
Yes.
Very good. And you, my dear, what are you doing?
I'm describing the pieces that we moved from the computer.
Thank you so much. Arrivederci.
Bye.
My name is Tiago. So here HD Rescue is what we do here, refurbishing laptops, and we receive the internies and they are really good, doing a great job.
Thank you so much, my friend. Bye bye. Good morning, Raul. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good. What about you? I'm just inspecting this motherboard.
Very good. What are you feeling about this experience here?
So this experience here is actually like a very good experience, a very good opportunity for all the students going to in Erasmus. I think it's the best opportunity that I ever took in my life. I got the chance to learn how to repair TVs, change some parts on them, carry them, open them, everything, just everything. It's very nice. It was the best experience ever.
Very good. Thank you so much. And you, Mariana, good morning.
Good morning. We are here with Raul. We enjoyed a lot receiving the interns, as always. They always show interest and want to be more and develop their knowledge and the knowledge as well of the culture. So we really enjoyed this experience. It has become an habit, a good habit, and we hope to do it again soon.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Good morning, Cosmina.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm so fine.
What are you doing here?
Repair a battery.
Thinking about this experience here.
This experience is so good, so wonderful.
Very good, very good. And you, my dear, are you having fun here?